My name's Lisa Cameron. At Inforum Education, we have been providing English language programs for over 17 years, and we are the winners of the ST Star Awards for the Best English Language School in the Southern Hemisphere. I am the coordinator and one of the teachers of the Inforum High School Preparation program here on the beautiful Gold Coast. Our program is dedicated to English language support, using comprehensive coursebooks and digital platforms to improve each skill. We have created engaging and interactive lessons to help international students develop a strong understanding of the Australian curriculum in mathematics, science and English literature. This program will prepare students for an easy transition into high school life and beyond. All of this is complemented with critical thinking activities, hands-on experiments in STEM and educational excursions to explore the Australian community and culture. Students and parents will be well informed about progress made in each subject through reporting on regular assessment tasks such as Cambridge testing, scientific challenges and public speaking presentations. Finally, we are committed to helping each student build a strong foundation and achieve their lifelong goals. So we look forward to seeing you here soon. Bye.